Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center, moving into seated sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and release, returning to center. Moving into a gentle hip opener. Draw your right knee in towards your chest. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Slowly lift your torso to upright, keeping your right foot where it is. Adding a twist, use your left hand to draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer thigh and hip. Slowly unwind and release. Repeating this sequence on the opposite side, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Slowly lift your torso to upright, keeping your left foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your right hand to draw your left leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and on your exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and return to center. Moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle wrist and hand stretch. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away, extending your arms forward. Begin to alternate lengthening through your wrists and stretching through your fingers. Continue with this movement, keeping your arms extended, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, wrists, hands, and fingers. Adding a lateral stretch variation. Reach your arms overhead, lengthening through your wrists. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, creating more space and ease through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, draw your forehead towards your knee, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving through your own range of motion, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, back, and hips. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this movement on the opposite side. With each inhale, lift through your heart, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, drawing your forehead towards your knee. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.